Hello YouTube, my name is Dan, and this afternoon I'm going to attempt to explain to you one of the simplest but most effective features that people don't tend to use with their iPhones. People tell me all the time, wow, how did you get that photograph? What camera did you use? And when I say I used my iPhone, they can't believe it. So the feature I'm talking about is depth of field, or portrait mode as it's known on the iPhone. Portrait mode enables you to control what's called the depth of field. And the depth of field is basically and simply how much of your photograph is in focus and how much of it is out of focus. It's very simple to do. You just open the camera app, and instead of just pressing the button snapping away, look along the bottom and you'll see video, slow-mo, and you'll also see portrait, time-lapse, various modes. Select portrait and then look for something to take a photograph of that will exploit that depth of field. This photograph of my dog Boo, taken down the beach last week, is a good example of portrait mode. He is the subject and all I want is him in focus and everything else out of focus. Portrait mode is best used for any subject that you want to isolate from a background. So it might be a picture of your dog, your girlfriend, your children, or a flower, for example. So I've got here a few photographs that I've just taken in the garden a couple of minutes ago. Just 3 simple photographs which I'll put up now. Once you've taken your photograph in portrait mode, you can actually control that depth of field. You can make it incredibly narrow, where even part of what you want in focus will be out of focus, or you can go right back to having everything in focus. And it's a good way of actually seeing how the effect works. Basically, it's quite simple. All the way to the left means less in focus. All the way to the right on the slider means more in focus. Hopefully you can see that just this one single effect makes a massive difference to the potential for your photos. So give it a try. If you've got any questions, just send me a message. If you want to show me what you've done and ask me whether you've done it right, not that you'll need to because you can tell when it looks lovely, then please do. And hopefully in another few days I will cover the next topic, which I think will be what I call the magic button, which with just one press will improve your photographs, and most people don't bother to do it. So maybe like and subscribe if you're interested, and I'll be along in the not too distant future with another video. Thank you very much for watching.